Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do manual product research for you guys to find products for Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls. And it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here's my video for today. And the first step you guys need to do is to open up a listing of a product that you've sold in the past, right? So for example, this one is a product that I've sold in the past. And then from here, I would go to Seller Amp, go to the bottom of the page where it says offers, right there. And then I would pick a product, not a product, but a seller with 100 ratings or less. The reason why I'm picking a seller with 100 ratings or less is because they're most likely doing all-in arbitrage like us, right? Which is the same model that we're doing. So for this instance, I'm going to pick this one. It's a seller with 40 ratings right there. And from here, I would open up the seller storefront. And then I would literally go down to seller's store. And I would go through each product, right? And then from here, I would pick a product. So for example, this one. And then I would open up the Amazon product page. And then open up Google shopping page. What is this? Minecraft Alpha original software soundtrack. I mean, so and then to narrow down the listing, I usually like to type in the maximum cost of the product, which is $28.28, right? I would go to Google Shopping, go to price, and then type the maximum cost of $28, and that way the search is narrowed down to only specific products. And then once it's narrowed down, I would see if I can find the exact same product, which I think is this one or this one. And then once you find it, you need to double check. Okay, this one is not the one. Yeah, this one is priced higher than on Amazon. So this one I'm going to skip. So let me try this one. This one is, the CD. What is this? CD or vinyl? This one is a vinyl. That makes sense. So here you also have the option to narrow down the exact type of product. So for this instance, you can type in vinyl or click in vinyl. And that way it's only going to show vinyl products, right? So this one's going to be a skip. Not there. And also a tip, I usually like to source products with a maximum cost of at least $10 because it gives me enough margins, right? If a product is at least $10, and it's also easier to search. So these three I'm going to skip, and then this one I'm going to try to find. So again, click on the Amazon product page, and then here click on the Google shopping page. Man, I'm not seeing it either. Maximum cost of the product is $30.16. So again, I would narrow down my search, go to price, and then here type $30.16 on your price, apply it, and let's see if we can find it. So this one is a 30-pound bag. Yeah, you can even narrow down. Yeah, I would narrow down to the brand only. So Purina, right? Purina. And then 30-pound bag. So now we gotta go through all of this. Man. I don't think it's here though. Yeah, it's not here, so skip it. Keep it going. Okay, so open up the Amazon product page again and open up the Google shopping page. Yeah, I've been doing this for a while, so I can tell already right there. If Amazon's on the listing, I just skip it right away because they tend to drop the price down, which I'm sure, see right there. Price for this product is $27. It's not going to work. So keep it moving. I think this one's going to work. It's 8 pounds. Yeah, it is going to work. So this one is, let's see, it's 8 pounds. Okay, 8 pound bag. Perfect. I think we found a good one. It's the same one. Crystal, just scoop and stir. 8 pound bag. Fresh, scented. Okay. So the price is $21.49, right? Oh wow, it's negative. Oh. Yeah, because Amazon's on the listing on this one. Damn. Okay, so this one we can't. So we keep it going. This one is good. But hey, we found the products, right? We found the products, but the numbers just don't add up. So let's see. So this one's $33.99. It's not gonna work either. Yeah, it's not gonna work. This one's 7 pounds. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Keep it moving. Try this one. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. So I would just look as quick as possible because it's very time consuming. We usually use VAs to do this for us, But obviously, in the beginning, you can't invest in a VA, right, or virtual assistant. So you got to do it manually. But hey, we found the products. We just can't find the products that are going to give us margins. But hey, we found a product, so that that's a good start. And again, if you guys are getting value from the video, I would encourage you guys to join again my free weekly Amazon calls. I'm going to post the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.